On today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to make $100 to $300 as passive income from home using a free bot. As you can see on your screen, I've made $321 using this bot that I'm about to show you. This method is not about affiliate marketing, so you are not required to get sales or leads before you earn money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end because I'm going to show you every detail that you need to know about this method. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to search for this particular tool, writer.me. This particular tool is a writing bot that will help you to write any content that you want. As you can see right here, you can use the tool to generate blog ideas and outline. You can use it to write blog sections. As I scroll, you can see different things that you can use this particular tool to write. You can use it to write brand news. You can use it to generate business idea page, call to actions, business ideas, copywriting framework, cover letters, emails, Google search ads. You can see Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn ads. You can use it to generate interview questions. You can use it to generate job description. You can use it to generate keywords. You can see a whole lot of different things that you can use this particular tool to do. You can use it to write a product description. You can use it to write your profile bio. You can use it to write song lyrics. You can use it to write a story plot. As you can see, you can use it to write testimonials and reviews. You can see a whole lot of different things that you can use this particular tool to write. As you can see, a whole lot of them. One good thing I like about this particular tool is that you can use it for free. So if you want, you can upgrade later. As you can see right here, they have a free plan that you can sign up to use this particular tool for free. You can also sign up for the silver plan or the unlimited plan. As you can see, you can just click right here, start now, so that you can use the free version. Once you use it to make money with the strategy that I'm about to show you, you can then upgrade to the premium version. You can see right here, $9 per month. You can also sign up for the $29 per month. What we are going to be doing in this video is that we are going to sign up for the free version so that we can use it to make money. Once we make the money, we can then upgrade to the premium version. So what you have to do is that just click right here, start now, so that you can create your free accounts. But I've created my free account, so I'm just going to log in and then show you more. Once you create your accounts, what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, click on start writing, so that you can use it to write whatever that you want. Once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. You can select your language right here, so whatever language that you want to write, you can just click right here and then select the appropriate language. See, you can also select the tone. If you want your content to be convincing, you can leave it like this. If you want, you can select any of these tones that you want. You can just scroll down and then select the one that you want. Once you select the tone, you are going to come right here, choose whatever that you want to use the tool for. So if you want to write anything, you can just click here and then choose whatever that you want. So as I scroll, you can see the different things that you can use this particular tool to write. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. For the sake of this video, we are going to be using blog idea and outline. Once you select whatever that you want to use the tool to write, you are going to come right here and then enter your primary keyword. So right here, you're going to type a keyword about what you want to write about, so that this particular tool can get the idea and then generate a content for you. So in this case, we are going to search for 4 ways to lose weight. Let me just delete this one right here. So 4 ways to lose weight. That is what we want to write about in this particular video. If you want, you can just come right here, number of variations. You can select 1, or you can select 2 or 3. In this case, I'm going to select 1. Once that is done, you are going to come right here, creativity level. If you want the high level, you can just select that. If you want low, you can select medium. You can select any of these options that you want. You can just select it. Once you select the creativity level, the next thing is that you are going to click right here, write for me, so that this particular bot can generate a content for you. So just come right here, click on write for me. Once you click on write for me, you can see the article ideas that you can use. You can see this is the introduction, and these are article ideas that you can just generate. You can see 4 best methods for healthy weight loss. You can see how to break bad habits that leads to weight gain. So any of these ideas that you want, you can just select them and then generate the content. So in this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to select 4 best methods for healthy weight loss. So what you have to do is that you have to highlight and delete what you don't want. So we are going to delete this one right here. Just delete it. Once you delete it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is the conclusion of it. So now what you have to do is that you have to generate the content. So first of all, you are going to generate the introduction. So just highlight all these words. Once you highlight them, you are going to click right here, paragraph, so that it can generate the introduction for you. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the introduction. You can see this is just a short introduction. The next thing is that we are going to write the body of the article. So just highlight this particular text, highlight everything. Once you highlight it, you are going to click on paragraphs so that it will generate the body of the article. As you can see, this is the body of the article. So if you want, you can just highlight it, click on paragraph, and it's going to continue writing the article for you. So it is going to write up to the number that you want. You can see this is the second method. The third method, what you have to do is that you have to just highlight it like this, click on paragraph, and it's going to generate the third one. You are going to do that for the fourth one. Once that is done, you are going to highlight the particular text, highlight everything, click on paragraph so that it can generate the conclusion of the article. I don't want to do everything because I'm spending my credit. I don't want to spend all my credit. I just want you to get the idea. Now that you know how to use this particular bot to generate content, the next thing is that we are going to look at ways that you can use this particular tool to make money from home. I'm going to show you one of the ways that you can use to make up to $100 to $300 or more per day using this particular bot for free. The next step is that we are going to come on this website, Upwork.com. This website is a marketplace where you can sell your services and then get employed to work from home. You can see there are several categories of different jobs that you can find. You can see design and creative, you can see sales and marketing, writing and translation, administrative and customer support, and many more. You can see finance and accounting, HR and training, legal, engineering, and many more. There are a lot of different jobs that you can find on this website so that you can be working from home. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to come right here, find work. Once you click on find work, we are going to see something like this, ways to earn. Find work for your skills. What we are going to do is that we are going to select find work for your skills. Once you click on find work for your skills, you are going to see a page like this. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to search for jobs related to your skills. In this case, we can use the tool to generate blog posts. So what you have to do is that we are going to search for blog writer. So once you search for it, you can see it right here. Just click on it so that you can find jobs related to blog writing. As you can see right here, these are jobs related to blog writing. You can see you are going to be working up to 30 hours per week. Assume you are able to charge $12 per hour, you are going to be making a lot of money. As you can see right here, there are 3,795 blog writer jobs posted on Upwork. So you have a lot of options. You can just choose the one that you want. So once you apply, you are going to get the job so that you can be using the tool to generate the content and you are going to be making money. As you can see right here, this particular employer is looking for people who can write blog posts on Vocal Media or Medium. So you can see the price is $298. So if you are able to write a post, you are going to be earning this amount. You can see this one right here, high quality articles and blogs about skin tools for websites. The price is $15. It was just posted 7 minutes ago. All the time people post different jobs on this particular website. You can see right here, Spanish content writers. The tool, you can choose any language that you want. You can see the price is $1,200. You can see this one right here, creative content writer needed, $5. As a score, you can see a whole lot of different jobs that are related to content writing. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can apply for these jobs. So just come right here, click on sign up so that you can sign up for your free accounts. Once you sign up for your free accounts, you can apply for these jobs. So once you get employed, you can be using the tool to generate the content for you to earn money. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. Just come right here, search for blog writer. Once you search for that, you can find a lot of different jobs that you can apply to get employed on this website. As I scroll, you can see the best matches. You can see them right here. You can see write a blog post. You can see the budget is $5. As I scroll, you can see there's another one right here looking for content writers for beauty and health niche. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see write a 1,500 to 2,000 word blog about pension plans. If you want, you can apply for that. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different jobs that you can apply to work on this particular website. You can see I need a blog or article. You can apply for this. As you can see right here, content writers needed. So we are going to apply for this job. You can see the payment is verified. So it means this is a credible employer that we can work with. So now what we are going to do is that you are just going to click on the job so that you can apply. Once you click on the job, you are going to see a page like this. You can see it is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can apply for this job and you are going to be employed. As I scroll, you can see the details of the job. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, click on submit a proposal so that you can submit your proposal. If the employer likes your proposal, he or she is going to reply you, and you are going to start using the tool to generate articles for the owner, and you are going to be making money anytime you submit an article. So just click on submit a proposal. Once you click on submit a proposal, you are going to scroll down. As I scroll, you can see everything about the job. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down right here. You can see cover letter. So what you have to do is that you have to write your cover letter and then send it to the employer. You can also send an attachment which includes your CV. So you have to tell the employer what you are capable of doing. The cover letter, if you don't know how to write a cover letter, you can use the tool and it's going to generate it for you. So just go back to the tool. Once you come back to the tool, what you have to do is that instead of choosing block idea and outline, what you have to do is that you have to just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to search for cover letter. So as you can see, this is cover letter, so you just click on it. Once that is done, you are going to type the role here. So in this case, we are going to type block writer. Once that is done, you are going to type the skills here. Just go back to the job. Once you come back to the job, you are going to look at the skills that the employer needs. You can see these are the skills that the employer needs. So what you have to do is that you have to just come right here, type those skills. Once you type the skills, you are going to click on write for me, and it's going to write a proper cover letter for you. Once it generates the cover letter for you, you are going to come back to your job and then paste it right here. Upload your CV. Once you paste your cover letter and upload the relevant document, just come right here, click on send for 6 connects. Once you send it, the employer is going to see your proposal. If they like it, they are going to reply to you so that you can start generating the articles, and you are going to be making money on Upwork for free using the writing bot. Apart from Upwork.com, you can also come on freelancer.com, and you are going to follow the same procedure. Just come right here. Once you click on that, you can search for block writer jobs so that you can apply. Once you apply, you are going to be using the tool to generate the content, and you are going to make money. You can see right here, search keyword. So right here, we are going to type block writer. So just type something like block writer. As you can see it right here, block writer. Once you type block writer, you are going to search so that you can find jobs that are related to block writing. Once you search for block writer, you can see this one right here, need a content writer. You can see the payment is $8 per hour. If you scroll down, you can see this one right here, $380 per every email copy that you write. As I scroll, you can see this one right here, $312. You can see this one right here, $338. So there are many jobs here that you can apply to use the tool to generate the content for you to make money. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see copywriting, $98. You can see blog posts, you are going to be earning $56. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different jobs that you can apply, and you are going to be employed to work on this particular website. So what you have to do is that just come right here, click on I want to work. So once you click on that, you are going to sign up for your free freelancing accounts. Once you create your accounts, you are going to be applying for the jobs. So any of the employers that employs you, you can use the tool to generate the content, and you are going to be making money from home without doing the actual work. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.